Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to update Deepseek app. So if you also want to update Deepseek app, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So updating the Deepseek application is very important in order to enjoy the new features and benefits. So if you also want to update this application, it is actually very simple. If you're using Android devices, you can update it through Play Store. For that, simply open Play Store. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. At bottom you'll be able to find several icons over here. What you have to do is tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now over here what you have to do is tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now simply type in Deepseek. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, you'll be able to find the option for Deepseek AI Assistant. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find two options over here, uninstall and open. If your application is not updated, instead of open option, you'll be able to find the option for update. All you have to do is tap on it. After that, your application will be updated. If you see the open option over here, that means your application is already updated and you're using the latest version of the application. So that is how you update Deepseek app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.